Either we can half it, yes, or we can cut. We can cut it into two pieces, into four pieces. Okay. So when we cut one whole thing, suppose this is a thing. When we cut this thing into half or into four pieces, what do we call? This whole part is called whole part. One of this whole object is called whole. But when we cut this part, this is a part of the whole. Okay, so this is part. So can you guess what we are which topic we are learning today? Maths. That is good. So our subject is maths. But which chapter? Which chapter? Very good. Okay. So this is the purse. Can we cut this purse? If we cut this purse, can it be equal? Can we use this purse again? No. No, now we can't use this purse again. So here are the things. So there are the things which we can cut into two pieces, but we can't cut. But there are the other things which we can't cut in shape. Okay. So fraction is this was an apple. So what Mama said? What Mama said after that? Mama took that apple from Ria and she cut it into half. Okay, she cut it into half and gave one portion to Ria and this other parts to her brother. Okay, so both can enjoy the apple like that. So fraction is all about. What is fraction? Can someone give me the definition of fraction? So fraction is, you can note down the definition. Let me show you something. Now you all can write the definition of the fraction. Okay. A fraction represents a part or whole. A fraction represents a part or whole. So what was that part? The whole thing was part and the whole thing, this thing was whole, and when we cut this, it's called part. Okay. Write down and please tell me if you are done. We'll move. Done? Okay. So here is the picture. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
Is it visible to you all?
Yes.
So can you see the slices? What is this? Pizza. Right? This is the only one slice of pizza. And what do we call this one slice? Is it a whole pizza? Okay. So this is the only one part of pizza. And pizza, what is the shape of pizza? Pizza comes in circular shape. Okay. But how do we eat whole pizza? No, we share the pizza among. Suppose you are six children sitting together and everybody wants to eat one slice. So how many times we will cut? 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So everyone can enjoy with this. Okay. So this part is called the